Alright, so welcome to today's market review. Um uh, just as we do every week, I'll be reviewing what I was expecting before the market opened, which was the in the previous video I did, and then what actually happened, and also talk about what I'm expecting the coming week or the coming trading week, which is from 25th to 29th of April. What I'm expecting in price action, where I'm expecting price to head towards from where it is right now. Okay, so let's head straight into the charts. All right. So as I always do, let's start with the dollar index. From the past week, or in the past video that I did, the past week video that I did, um, I was expecting, this high, this particular high, where I've written the next target, this particular area to be reached into. Okay, as the next target after we took out this high on this past week on this very candle. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, so if you watch the previous video, you would get to know what I was talking about. Alright, so I was targeting this high, alright, and then we've taken out already. So the next available target is the one up here. Okay, so for the coming week, I don't know when actually, but within the coming week, I'm still expecting bullish price in the dollar index. Where we are currently right now, as I said in the previous video, that you can have a retracement, sorry, a reversal at any moment. So personally, I'm always entering with a much lower exposure. When I say exposure, I mean lot sizes, and then my entry are just short term. Okay, so that's my next target on the dollar index. Okay, that's my next target, even as I'm still anticipating that from where price is currently, okay, up to this level around 103.00 level there. I'm still from that point to where price is currently around 101 thereabouts. I'm still expecting price to have some kind of a reversal. There could be, or there's a potential for a reversal, or possibility for a reversal around that price point. Okay, so I'm still on that. Yeah, even as I go in short on the USD and expecting higher prices in the dollar index. Yeah, I have the possibility for the reversal in my mind as well. Alright, so let's head to the USD. So the USD, even though the dollar has been taking out the highs as I was expecting, the USD has not taken out the previous weekly lows that I was expecting. So so that's the last low that was taken in the market over here. Okay, then the next target on this particular candles or this particular week key was that I was expecting this low to be taken, alright, as this high was being taken in the dollar index. Okay, but it didn't happen. So I'm still on that. The next target, or the next target on my USD trades are going to be this particular low, and then this particular low over here. So that's so that's what I'm expecting for the coming week, or the coming week, even though just this particular week gave us some kind of a dodgy. This particular week gave us some kind of a dodgy. I'm still looking for this low to be taken out and this low to be also taken out. All right. So that is it for the my expectation for the coming week. Just a word of advice. Probably you'd want more funds, to trade with, or like you don't have much money. Like I would recommend you actually try with these prop firms. They sort out potential good traders and they give their money to them to trade for them. Okay, so those are the prop firms, and when you make profits, they actually you have a share, can be as high as 80% profit share. You keep the 80, and then the firm keeps the right. So I've been in it for almost a year, and it's been good so far. Yeah. So let's see what the coming week has for us. Thank you.